Hi, again, it's Kenny. On this training, I will be going to teach you on how to remove, replace pad, and update battery and panel capacity using Harvest app. Yeah, you hear it, right? All of the stuff I mentioned can be done under Manage Pad menu on Okra Harvest app. So, as usual, before you take any actions to a specific house, we need to scan house QR code. On this view, click the Manage Pad options. And here, we can choose 4 different options depending on what we want to do on that households. On this example, we're gonna start on replacing pad. Click Replace Pad. Scan the old pad QR code we want to be replaced, and then scan the new pad QR code, then select reasons, and then click Save. For removing pad from the house, just click Remove Pad options. Scan the pad QR code to be removed, then select Reasons, and click Save. For updating the battery and panel info, click Update Install. Scan the pad QR code and then change the equipment info you want to change. Then click Save. After you finish, go back to activity page. If the activity is not green, means you have a connectivity issues. Just click Sync when you have connectivity again. Once it turns green, then you're done.